Yo, what's up guys, and I had a comment asking about how to do subtraction in Minecraft and how to make an ALU where you can toggle between them. So first, let's talk about how to actually do subtraction in Minecraft. Now this is just a basic adder, you can kind of get any type you want, and let's just do an example. We have 5 plus 3, and we go over here, we see our output is 8. Now we can turn this to subtraction by knotting one input and knotting the output. So here I knotted the input, in other words, reversing any bit that goes into it. Then I knotted the output. Now we can see that if I were to do something like 8 minus 3, we're going to get 5. Now make sure the larger number is on the knotted side, or else you're kind of going to get negative numbers, which are formatted weird. Now let's talk about making an ALU. Now generally you're going to have just one input into the ALU, so you need some sort of temporary register, and then you need another register, because when you operate you use two numbers. As we know, you can use a repeater to lock another repeater, and I can use a redstone tower to lock 8 at a time. And so now by connecting both inputs, what I can do is I can enter one number, for example 9, and then save it right here, and then I can enter another number, like 3, for example. And so now we see 9 on the right, and then 3 on the left, and that gives us 6. Now we can combine an adder in the orange and a subtractor in the yellow and toggle between the two. Notice I have this same mechanism here where we have a temporary register and then just something normal, temporary register, something normal, and they're all connected up to one input. And so if we go down here, I can save a value by pressing this button, and notice it unlocks both the temporary registers. So now a 5 is in both the adder and the subtractor. And then I can choose which I want to toggle. So I could either do addition or subtraction. And it's very simple because this input is connected up to two locks. So using these comparators in subtraction mode, I can lock the output of one and unlock the output of another. So when this is off, we see that this addition is actually unlocked. But when this is off here, the subtraction is locked. And I just use this by using a torch here and a repeater here to reverse the inputs. And then if I want, I can switch this to subtract mode, so we have 5 minus 1, and we see our answer is 4. And if we set to addition, 5 plus 1 is 6. So I'm just going to fly around the build so that all you guys can see it from all angles and copy it in your world. So that's how you can make an ALU where you can toggle between addition and subtraction. So all of this should work in both Bedrock Edition and Java Edition. I'm pretty sure the slab tower should work also. If they don't work, I would use glass instead because I believe that works in Bedrock. But everything here should be Bedrock and Java friendly. So I hope this helped. Peace.